Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland. You see before you a 14 inch or 36 centimetre canvas square which has some black paint on it, and I need a little cup. I shall get one. I also have some Cobalt blue, white and gold, and I'm going to do a ring pour, yes. And I have a balloon here too. I might be able to do a little bit of a smash, and I rather like them, but I'm not very good at doing the balloons, so I'll still give it a try every now and again till I get it right. The recipes for these paints and the pouring medium you'll find under this video here with Show More. You're more than welcome. Why am I doing it here where you can't see me? It's not a secret. Just putting paint in. Some more. And top it off with gold. Should be very pretty. Going to just bring out. Geckos are talking. What pretty colours we have today. Still a little bit left, not much. Alright, that'll do. Okay, just a little twirl around. Don't mind if the black stays on the edges, it always looks quite nice to get a little bit of black like that. Oh, I think it is anyway. Put more black on here, a bit black here. Some of the edges, little corners, get a bit of help. Okay, so I might give this one wipe my hands off first. And then I'll no lighter. Alright. I shall return with a lighter. Okay, so now I'm back. I'm not overly impressed with it. It's pretty, but and I've got some nice cells, but it's ordinary here. Got sparkles from the gold, so I think what I'm going to do is swipe it and put in some of these colours again. It's a blue that I have. And then after I've swiped it, I might see how we go with a bit of play with a balloon. Okay. And do a have another piece of cloth, yes I do. I'll just let him down. Take it up. Right. Want to dribble a bit? You can dribble if you want. There you go. Going to let this white go down a bit more. And then bring it back. That is looking very pretty now. Right. Now for the trusty balloon. Here we go. So I might just try over this corner here. Oh, and try with the white. No, I'm not very good at these little devils. So I'll just scrape that back on there and put some more gold across here. Now it's starting to look like something that I do like. Nice now. Just go around here and fix this corner up. bit of a blotch there. Just, that's nice. Some white paint. And I think I shall leave this one. I might be able to use it for a background or something, and I think it's very pretty. I really like it. Totally different. Right, I'll wipe my hands off and I'll bring you down to have a look at it. It's really interesting. That's pretty. Looks like water coming over the sand. Alright, and there's it from another angle. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you over Australia Art Dreaming, or in the next video. Please click subscribe and the little bell to be notified, and please give this the thumbs up. I do appreciate that. So bye for now.